I just had a beautiful espresso here in, what's the place name? Grace Hotel. These are the waiters. They are so cool. They are my support team here in Medjugorje. And how is Medjugorje for you?
Summertime is a little bit hot, but we love pilgrims and we love the people that come here.
Yeah, you do such a good service, you know. You should all come to Hotel Grace here in Medjugorje and to the restaurant. And what is so special about Medjugorje for you?
Well, the peaceful, time here when people come to retreat. So mostly the praying part is for pilgrims to retrieve their soul and to find their path if everybody has rough time. So most pilgrims that come here that they want to feel better about themselves and
So to
the pilgrimage,
Yeah. To summarize, you feel better when you come to Medjugorje. You refresh your soul,
Yes.
and you're more happy. Thank you so much. Yeah. Have a good day. Ciao. So now we go. I take you on a little walking tour here. I go on a little walking tour to the church now, and see here. I was here, Cafe Grace Restaurant Pizzeria. I love that place. It's a good place to be. And we go together now to the sanctuary, to the church. You see, it's Sunday morning, 9 o'clock. And people are out. It's getting already warm now. Like 2-3 days ago we had rain, so it cooled down, but now it's getting warm again. You can feel it already, 9 o'clock, very warm. There's a friend up there of mine. And now we go over here to the church. Let's go together. There is at 9 o'clock the German Mass in the yellow hall called the St. John Paul II Hall, because you have masses in the morning, Croatian masses at 8, and during the morning 3 masses following each other. It's the last one I think at 11. And let's say hello to Our Lady. She's over there, as beautiful as she always is every day. And let's go together, move on. You see people are happy and taking photos in front of St. James Church. You can hear hallelujah feeling. They feel hallelujah and laugh. That's the laughter of Medjugorje. When you are here, your soul will be refreshed, as the waiter of Hotel Grace or the Cafe Grace Restaurant Grace said. Let's go together. See what's going on in the church. One for you guys. See, there are pilgrims in there. It's very peaceful, as you can see. Let's say a little hello to Our Lady. Now I take you to the Yellow Hall, the St. John Paul II Hall. And now we go over there. There's a friend sitting of mine. There should be Mass at 9. I hope it is so. So let's go over there and check together if it's over there, the Mass. As I said, it's already getting really hot here. And as you can see, you can always find a priest who does confession in this area, the confessional. You can see it from that time. You see, you have people meditating and just sitting here peacefully and quietly. There is the famous St. John Paul II Hall. It's also called the Yellow Hall. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video that other people also can see the beauty of Medjugorje. In the back you can see Cross Mountain and the cross shining on the top. And I leave you with this beautiful impression on the St. John Paul II Hall. Oh, I see there's not the German Mass, there's the Italian Mass right now.
Tutto hai posto sotto i tuoi piedi.